What if your plants could tell you exactly what they think? In Earth, plants the vital source of human beings. We all are directly or indirectly connected by nature. In agriculture, we cultivate our vegetables and fruits which are filled with many nutrients and vitamins. But did you know that 30 to 40% of crops are lost globally and farmers lose billions in crops due to lack of expertise, knowledge of agriculture and due to lack of knowledge to control pests. Plants don't fail if we don't understand them. Too much water, too little care, wrong timing. The world is changing, evolving, adapting. The clock is ticking. It's time to change from primitive agriculture to more modernized agriculture based with wisdom, guided by intelligence.
Meet Osiris, AI that understand your plants, powered by real-time data and intelligent automation. Just tell your problem or upload an image. It's that simple. It's gonna ask you some follow-up questions. You're just gonna answer them. Just tell the real thing because it will tell the real solution for your problem. Let's let's say it's in the upper bit. That means it's a macro element division C. Let's see. And yes, you guessed it right. So it will also tell you your plan to follow these three rules. And also it will tell you about the weather, the follow things that you're gonna need for your garden if you want to follow this. And if you want to know about your future pest problems, then you can hit the daily predictor. It will tell you about the most likely to outbreak, like in here it is white flies with outbreak. It has 54% chance and aphids have 43% chance. And high humidity.
Where farmers don't react to problems, they solve them. Osiris Garden is where ancient wisdom meets modern AI. It's Osiris Garden. Grow smarter.
Cyrus Garden. Understanding plant intelligence, unlocking nature's potential.